Hey guys, it's your girl Shala, and I'm back with my prison experience. And I'm going to be eating fried chicken and stir fry with noodles. Oh yeah, grab your forks and your plates and come eat with me. What's up everybody? It's your girl Shala, Promostk, eating good in the neighborhood, eating good in the neighborhood with some fried chicken and some stir fry with some noodles. Oh yeah. And y'all, I should have put this on my cooking channel because I've done this type of chicken before. Y'all probably didn't know it, but yeah, this is not breaded. It's skin fried, and then I shake it once it's done in my own special bag of seasonings, and then voila, here we go. So let's bless this food and let's get it in. Thank you, Lord, for this food. This food be nourishment to my bodies and all of my insides. In Christ Jesus, I do pray. Amen, amen, amen. I'm so excited to be getting into this chicken. As y'all can see, they're little pieces, so I could probably eat all of them. But our topic today, hot topic, you guys. And actually, I'm bringing it back from one of my comments, the Creative Creole, in one of my previous my prison experience videos. I think it may have been the first one. I'm not quite sure. But she brought up the fact about the family. About family is doing time just like the inmates are doing time. And it's so true when you think about it. You know, let me get my bib on, y'all. Y'all know I do make a mess. Let me get my bib on. Bless my food so I can start eating, y'all. And let me show y'all my food. I know y'all saw it from the pictures I took, but hey, I might as well give y'all a little taste of it. A little taste. Them my stir fry noodles, y'all. Ooh, that look good. And then my good old chicken. Y'all see a close up on that chicken? Y'all see that stuff? That good stuff on there? Y'all see that? Yes, I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. All right, so we're gonna get into this chicken. So good, y'all. If y'all want to know my recipe, put a comment. Ooh, I got a spice to it now. So yeah. It's so good. So yeah, family do time. And it's sad. They do time in many ways because of an because of an inmate mistake. One, they're always trying to get financial assistance for them. Trying to get maybe some legal help for them. Trying to put money on the books. Send them mail. Go visit them, do a visitation. And sometimes they travel a pretty good piece. Yeah, a lot of older family members. Sometimes they can't make the trip or drive. My mom's over here. Maybe because of health conditions. Lord knows, I'm pretty sure they want to. It put a toll on a family. Put a toll on, if you're married, put a toll on your marriage. If the inmate is married, definitely puts a toll on that marriage. But it's like the people outside of the prison walls got pretty much put their life on hold. And that's why I can understand why people say the family's doing time too. Because just imagine your loved one is locked up. And I think everybody has had someone they know, someone they love, that's locked up. They're locked up. Their life is still going on. Nothing has changed for them. And then you have the outside world, family on the outside world, whether it's a husband that's in the outside world waiting for his wife, or a wife waiting for her husband. It's like, what do you do? Some people, they file for divorce. But you know what? It's no different than the military. You know how when an officer gets deployed, they're gone for months to years. And the wife or husband is faithful to their return. Well, in some cases, the wife or husband is not faithful. On an officer going off to do their time. So you know, knowing someone's locked up, not knowing when they're gonna get out, that definitely brings a toll on a relationship. Well, it's so good, y'all. I get into my stir fry. But for the ones, look at that steam, y'all. Y'all see that steam? For the ones that can hold out and be there 100%. For the inmate, it kind of gives them something to live for. It gives them something to fight for. Make their time worthwhile while they're in there doing their time. Lord forbid that inmate is innocent. Oh my God. And y'all know, we see that all the time. The Innocence Project, by the inmate not guilty through DNA. But all that time, that inmate has suffered the injustice of being labeled a prisoner. They may have been accused of rape and didn't rape anybody, but because they was accused and they got locked up in the system, maybe they were raped or gang raped or beaten brutally. Y'all. It's just sad. Because you got officers that laugh at inmates. Making jokes, making fun. Oh yeah, you're gonna get raped. Oh yeah, they're gonna get you. I'm pretty sure that's pretty much the last thing an inmate want to hear. Especially somebody that's possibly innocent. I'm telling you. It's rough. So just imagine knowing you're innocent, your family out there fighting for you, you locked up, family hands are tied. That's why I tell people, make sure you live your life the way that protects you from that situation. Will it be watch the company you keep? Because sometimes it could be guilt by association. I don't care that was a childhood friend. You know you're not doing right. By childhood friend. I'm telling you. Prison life is no joke. I've been on both spectrums. I've worked in the system. I've had family in the system. Uncle, brother. And it's no joke. Having to constantly reassure them that we're doing our 100% outside those gates. Them inside the gate feeling selfless and just forgotten. And no matter how much you try to talk to them and keep them uplifted biblically, financially, they're still without freedom. That's the sad part. They still have no rights. They're still treated like, I'm not even gonna say like animals, because you got people treat their animals just like they treat themselves. So I'm just gonna say, treated like wild beasts. Treated like wild, untamable beasts. So for those families out there that's doing time because their relative family, friend, whoever is doing time, just continue to do whatever you can do to make that inmate know that you're there, supportive. And really, vice versa with the officers. They're doing time. You know? They're being subjected to some very cruel inmates. You got inmates, they don't care. They don't care that they locked up. They don't care about the officer trying to do their job, whether it's a good officer or not. They don't care. They'll spit on you. Now these are inmates. You got some nasty inmates. They'll throw their fecal matter on you. Their fecal matter. Urine. And at some point, these officers are like, enough is enough. Even though they're there to do a job, but they're like, hey, enough is enough. But I'm like, when you get to the point where enough is enough and you can't take no more, walk away. Walk away. Because it's not your job to retaliate. Walk away. And see, that's the problem. You got a lot of officers that won't walk away. I'm not gonna say they can't walk away. They won't walk away because they have an opportunity to walk away. I love skin, y'all. So, some of you guys out there that have relatives that work in prison, vice versa. Speak positively to them. Because a lot of them, they're human, just like everybody else. And maybe they're having a bad day. Maybe their marriage is not so good. Maybe they found out their wife or husband was cheating on them, you know? And they're just not having a good day. Or maybe somebody died in their family. And then they go to prison and work around inmates. And take their bad day out on them. That's not right. Not right. I know I would be, as a parent, I would be on absolute pins and needles anytime I heard the phone ring, thinking, oh my God, what has happened to my child? You know, I know, even now, my kids can call me or text me because they know, these young kids, they believe in texting 24/7, right? And they can say, Mama, I call you back. I got some news to tell you. And my heart is dropped. Like, oh my God. What done happened? Oh my God. So of course I'm texting back. Good or bad. Right now I'm bracing myself. And they'll say, Mom, it's not bad. I'm like, boy or girl, don't scare me like that. So just imagine knowing your child is locked up where they have pretty much no rights behind bars, and you get those phone calls from your child. Knowing where they are is a bad place, and a lot of things that has happened to them or happening to them, they're too ashamed to tell you. Like them being bullied. Oh yeah, there's a lot of bullying going on. Like them being made somebody's beat. A lot of that going on. Sometimes the officers feel they deserve it, so they turn the other head and don't do anything about it, which again is wrong. But you got people like that, they just don't care. And I'm like, when you get to that point, if you don't care, just leave. Nobody has got a gun to your head to tell you to stay. That's what I don't get, y'all. People out there doing jobs they hate, but instead of them just leaving, they stay there and make their life miserable for the people they're around. Somebody didn't do nothing to them at all, just trying to get time. But no matter what, you're gonna have people like that. But a lot of them don't care. Because they had that mentality of thinking. He in prison, he deserves everything he gets. But I say this. He's somebody's child. Somebody's dad. Somebody's brother. If they're male. And one day, shoes may be turned. And you wearing them. And you got a loved one locked up, being mistreated, and nothing you can do about it. I always taught my kids, you're right. Mama can only do so much. And once you get yourself put in that situation where it becomes out of my hands, ain't nothing I can do. And there's a lot of people out there, a lot, that there's nothing they can do. So they're living with it every day. With that family member, husband, wife, spouse, whatever. So the question is, do your family members do time? They do. And the time that they do is stress that will eat at you, eat at you, eat at you for the unknowing. Because of the unknowing. And it's like having a missing child. Ain't nothing you can do about it. But every day you worry. Every day you worry. Every day you worry. So, I hope you guys appreciated that message today. Leave comments below, please. Leave comments below. But it's really, really sad that we as family become victims. We become victims. And we become convicted as well. So thank you guys for listening. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to listen to my prison experience. And I brought this particular message to you because of one of the comments I got on one of my videos. Excuse me. And it was by the creator CREOLE. So I appreciate the engagement of everybody, whether you're supporters or whether you're content creators. I appreciate your back and forth with your comments, because it lets me know that you guys want to hear this, and you're telling me you want to hear it, and your comments are telling me you want to hear it. So I have 6 years. I have 6 years in prison. Thank you guys. I appreciate it and love you. Promostk, eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, make that red turn gray, and click to make sure you get all of my notifications when I upload a video. And Lord willing and Lord given, I upload every morning at 5:05 a.m. 5:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. All right, you guys, love you. See you guys in the next video, and let me know that you're there. All right, love you.
It's your girl Shella and Frank, and do not click off this channel yet. We have an unveiling of our outro. Check it out.
And for those of you who don't know me, my name again is CHRISSY. So I was told and I was asked by one of my YouTubers, Miss Promostk, eating good in the neighborhood. She actually asked my manager, I was in Hollywood, honey, and she called my manager and she said, you know what, I just need BUGE. I need BUGE to do the theme song to my YouTube channel. And I was in Paris. That's where I was, on the jet, heading to Paris. Did I say I was in Hollywood? Sorry, I was in Paris. So you guys, I am going to do this song, and I'm going to do it how I know how to do it, okay? So let's go. I am CHRISSY TV, and I am going to sing it my way for Promostk, okay? B-R-O-M-O-S-T-K. B-R-O-M-O-S-T-K. We're eating good in the neighborhood. 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 You're eating good in the neighborhood. I'm eating good in Hollywood. I'm eating good in Paris. I'm eating good all over the world. B-R-O-M-O-S-T-K. Ooh, B-R-O-M-O-S-T-K. Toodaloo, honey. I got things to do. I love you so much, Shella and Frank. Goodbye. Drum roll, please. B-R-O-M-O-S-T-K. eating good in the neighborhood. Promo STK, promo STK with Frank. Yes, Big Frank. Promo STK, eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good, eating good, eating good, eating good, eating good in the neighborhood. Promo STK, promo STK, eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good, eating good, eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Promo STK, eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, hey, hey. I said a promo STK eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, they eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, they eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, I said a promo STK eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, they eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, they eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, get your bib on. I know the real dog. Eating good in the neighborhood can't go wrong. Hey, hey, hey. Promo STK eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, she eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, they eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, I said a promo STK eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, she eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, they eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, thank you for your time. CICITY in the building one more time. Eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, 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 hey. PROMOSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. PROMOSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. PROMOSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Your outro. PROMOSTK. 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 Eating good in the neighborhood.